Good morning, Eleanor. Where's your bear? Do you love your bear? Oh, you love him so much. Yeah. Uh-huh. Why, hello. Yeah? Oh, I love you. Hello, Eleanor. I'm your bear. Oh, do you love your bear? Say hi. Eleanor, can you blow kisses? Mwah. Mwah. See, now I'm busy wrestling this bear. Oh, hey, blow me a kiss. Mwah. Can you do it? Yeah, good girl. Blow me. Mwah. Patty cake, baker's man. Roll it and roll it. Mark it with the B and throw it in the oven for baby and me. Very good. Oh, that's good.